How are you, sir?
John, thank you so much.
This is your place.
Yes, it is.
So you are the owner?
I'm the owner.
You're the chef?
I'm the chef.
You're the waiter?
Not the waiter, but
Sometimes.
Sometimes I bust in tables though.
Yeah.
I bust tables. So.
When did you open this place?
So we found this amazing city in late October of 2006.
And how did you make your way to Port Washington? Did you have family here?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Did you have friends here?
No, God, I have God in my life.
Good for you.
I asked God for helping me find a place.
Yeah.
I was in the Chicago area,
Okay.
and every Monday and my day off, looking for a place, an empty restaurant. One day I decide driving up north, which I never did in 16 years.
Yeah.
Driving up north, get lost, and ending here.
And
downtown
in
Port
front
Washington.
of this building?
Just a block
Really?
away from here.
And was this place empty at the
It
time?
was empty. I came here on a Monday. This restaurant was closed a Friday, the Friday before.
The Friday before.
So 3 days.
Done.
So,
Yeah.
so I called my landlord, and like I said, it was a battle of couple weeks.
Right.
Phone calls.
Yeah.
And finally, he accepted our offer or our idea, and here we are.
And did you have a restaurant before this?
No.
This is your first?
This is my first restaurant
As an owner?
as an owner.
Yeah. But you've certainly been in the business.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the idea of the food industry for 5 generations, as I can go and dig in.
Yeah.
But I saw my great-grandfather, my grandparents, my mom, and then here I am.
Yeah. So it's in your blood.
It is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
But my kids, they want nothing to do with this. No, nothing.
There's got to be a 6th generation?
Yeah.
No?
Nope. They say probably not.
Too much work.
My youngest, he's a welder,
really?
and my oldest, he's a deputy.
Oh,
Works for Dane County. So
And so what will happen? You'll have to stay here forever.
probably
Until your grandkids.
yeah, or maybe other family members.
Right.
But right now I have the passion, I have the energy, lots of energy,
Sure.
and the love
Yeah.
of doing this.
Yeah.
Because
and the community that's behind you.
You
because
know-
this community loves you. This is what
Oh.
we've heard.
Oh.
And I get a readout about
Sure,
exactly who I'm talking to. And 3 times he said that he has community support. The community loves him. This is a great guy in the community. So
Well,
it's really about that as
You
well.
know, when we came here, again, I opened this on December 20th,
Wow.
3 days before Christmas.
You're right.
And people like, oh, what a weirdo. I'm like, well, if that's not me, it's going to be another weirdo. So I want to be that weirdo.
Yeah.
And since day one, people come and like asking, where you coming from? And my kids were little. So I think that helps. That helps with, interacting with community.
Sure.
My kids in the school,
Right.
sports, birthdays. So
Yeah, it brings those parents together and
yes,
families
yes.
together.
So since day one, lots of support from this amazing community.
Recipe-wise, where do you get your recipes?
Lots of-
Is it the generations before
Sure,
you?
absolutely. When I first came here, my background in the United States was a Greek cuisine.
Greek cuisine.
So when I came here, I have a Greek menu.
Oh, you did?
And you know what Greek menu is?
It's a
You
lot.
have Chinese, you have Italian, you have German, you have everything.
It's a huge menu.
14 plus pages.
No, really.
And
That's what you started with?
I
there?
start with that.
Yeah.
I start with that. And that takes years for that come out of my, people start coming here like, are you Greek? No, I'm Mexican. Is your wife Greek? No, she's Mexican. We need good Mexican food.
There you go.
So they start asking for Mexican food.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh gosh. So little by little, right now, the only thing I have is Greek chicken and gyros on our menu.
Oh, good.
The rest
Yeah.
is Mexican. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for coming, Johnny.
Perfect.
Thank you, John.